Dad, I was just wondering, can you talk about the endocrine system?
Sure! The endocrine system is a collection of glands that produce hormones that keep your body growing and developing the way it needs to.
Thanks. Can I maybe, come over and, discuss the system?
Why, of course you can!
I wonder who that could be. Oh, what do you know? It's Julia. Come on in.
Thanks. Let's discuss the endocrine system. Alright, so I know the organs are a collection of glands that secrete different hormones that regulate, metabolism
And growth and development.
Oh yeah, and tissue function.
And sexual function and reproduction.
I've been even
Sleep.
And mood. Julia, I love you.
The word endocrine derives from the Greek word
Endo.
meaning within and
Crinus.
Meaning secrete.
The first gland is the hypothalamus. It links the nervous system to the endocrine system.
The second gland is the thyroid gland, and it's located in the front part of the lower neck. It usually weighs less than 1 ounce. It controls the rate that the body produces energy from nutrients. It plays a key role in bone growth.
Third is the parathyroids. They are 4 tiny glands attached to the thyroid. They release parathyroid hormones, which regulates the amount of calcium in the blood. Calcium is important for bones and teeth, but also nerve functioning, muscle contractions, blood clotting, and glandular secretions. If there isn't enough calcium, the body takes it from the bones, causing calcium deficiency.
The pineal gland produces several important hormones. The most significant is melatonin, which regulates the sleep cycle. The pineal gland is also known as the third eye. It converts signals from the nervous system into the endocrine symbols. It can also influence sexual development.
This is the pituitary. It has 2 important parts, anterior and posterior, each of which affect bone growth and regulate activity in other glands. It was once thought to be the main gland of the body, but we now know the master gland is the hypothalamus that links the pituitary gland to the brain.
The next gland is the thymus. It forms part of the immune system, and it's located in the upper part of the chest, and it's made up of 2 lobes. It functions to transform lymphocytes, which are white blood cells developed in bone marrow, into T cells. They are transported to lymph glands, where they fight off infections and diseases.
Next are the ovaries. Not only do they produce eggs, they also produce female sex hormones called estrogen and progesterone.
The pancreas serves as 2 glands in one, including the exocrine digestive gland and the hormone-producing endocrine gland. The exocrine excretes enzymes to break down proteins, lipids, carbs, and nucleic acid in foods. The endocrine gland secretes the hormones insulin and glucagon to control blood sugar levels throughout the day. Both are vital to the body's survival.
Next are the adrenals. They are triangle-shaped glands located above the kidneys. They are responsible for regulating stress levels, and they secrete more than 3 dozen hormones directly into the bloodstream.
Lastly, there is the testes. They are made up of 2 testicles and produce the male sex hormone testosterone. One disease would be diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is a disease where the pancreas stops producing insulin. It's mostly in children. Type 2 diabetes is mainly in adults, and it's when the body doesn't produce enough insulin. It remains unclear as to what causes it, but to prevent it, you should maintain a healthy lifestyle. Treatments include insulin injections.
Time for your shot.
Insulin.
Hypoglycemia is caused by low blood sugar. It is a side effect to diabetes treatment. To prevent, eat healthy and exercise. There is no treatment for hypoglycemia.
Julia, no.
Thyroid cancer begins in the thyroid gland and starts when the cells in the thyroid begin to change, grow uncontrollably, and eventually form a tumor. There is no prevention for thyroid cancer. It's treated by surgery or radioactive iodine.
Surgery. This patient is in a sleep.
All in all, the endocrine system is an important system because it produces and releases hormones that are essential for the body's growth and development. It is one of the most important systems in the body.